So again, good afternoon guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we continue our story about facilities and things that you can see in Nyeri town. And today we are going to take you to a trip of one of the biggest private hospitals in Nyeri, known as the Outspan Medical Hospital. This is one of the biggest medical hospitals that has created history of being raised from a small facility to one of the biggest and most prestigious, cheap private hospital in Kenya. The Outspan Hospital started its operation with the establishment of an outpatient department on 7th August the year 2001. Their deliberate policy has been that no member of the community can be turned away if they are seeking medical attention at the facility. Currently, the outpatient department of this hospital has evolved into one-stop shop for all medical services expected of a national referral hospital. Despite the high cost of day-to-day operations and purchase and maintenance of modern medical equipment, the Outspan Hospital has retained very low rates in charges and fee. For instance, some of the rates have never been reviewed since the facility opened its door. And what are some of the key facts about the Outspan Hospital? Number one, it is a highly equipped 250-bed capacity teaching hospital located in Nyeri County. It has a functional intensive care unit and one of the cheapest in the country. It is an accredited training center by the Kenya Medical Association. It has established its own medical school to train globally competitive medical professionals. It is a referral hospital. It is a medical facility of choice for most insurance providers in the country. It has a 24-hour emergency and accident evacuation service. It operates 24 hours, 7 days a week. What are some of the services that are offered within this hospital? Number one, radiology services. Number two, laboratory services. Number three, physiotherapy. Number four, two theaters, intensive care unit, high dependence unit, maternity, pharmacy, dental unit, psychology, emergency evacuation and ambulance, outpatient consultation and clinics, maternal, child health and reproductive health, and finally, it is the only private college offering most courses in the country. So guys, if you are in Nyeri and you require some medical services, please do not hesitate to visit this facility because it seems to be a facility of choice for most people in the area.